Introducing our handmade therapy cube, designed to support adults with Alzheimer's, dementia, and Parkinson's. This cube improves motor skills, stimulates the mind, and helps reduce anxiety. With features like a mother, latch, door lock, and wheel, it encourages fine motor development. Made from safe, non-toxic materials, it's perfect for calming activities at home and in nursing homes. Customization options are available, along with a convenient storage bag. Our Cube is a great tool for therapy and stress relief, providing comfort and cognitive support. Please note, it's not a medical device, but offers helpful stimulation. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. You can find the link to order in the description.